My name is boitumelomokonyanestudio, and welcome back to boitumelomokonyanestudio. Today we visit Highland Estate in Dullstroom. Not only am I going to take you through the Airbnb we stayed in, but we'll also be showing you some of what this scenic small town has to offer. The Highlands Gold Estate is genuinely one of the most breathtaking estates that I've ever been in. As soon as you get to the security gate, you're introduced to lush greenery, eye-catching water features, and a landscape view second to none. The estate has an 18-hole golf course, a clubhouse, a trout lake for fishing, as well as hiking trails across the estate. Before we even get to the house, let's talk about these views. These views are spectacular. The home is situated at the top of a hill. You have views of the valley, you have views of the mountainous terrain, and you have a view of 2 of the 18 holes of the golf course. The home has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. I describe the home as a modern farmhouse with elements of a modern industrial home. It does well to combine plaster, stone and wood with exposed wood and steel beams complementing the neutral color scheme. The floor plan is modeled after an upside-down home. The entertainment area normally found on the ground floor is found on the first floor. This means that most bedrooms are located on the ground floor, and this was done with the views of the estate in mind. The entry of the home opens up to an intimate formal living room that has been beautifully furnished. It is serviced by a fully kitted wet bar and opens up to the side of the home. The ground floor has 2 bedrooms, all taking advantage of the views. The first is an ensuite bedroom, while the other is the first of 2 primary suites. The floating steel staircase takes you to the first floor with the views of the golf course. Upon your landing, you find a billiards room, opening up to the front balcony of the home. The room leads to an open-plan living and dining area with vaulted ceilings. Attached is a kitchen and scullery, as well as access to the main entertainment balcony. The living room is well furnished with a wood-burning fireplace, clad with stone matching the fireplace downstairs. The dining area has seating for a large group, with a stone feature wall as its background. The kitchen of this home is simple, but the attention to detail makes it special. The light cabinetry is paired with a dark grey countertop, as well as polished silver fittings. We have 3 bedrooms on this floor, with 2 of them being en-suite guest rooms. These rooms are generous in size, boasting well-fitted bathrooms. The last room in this home is the second primary bedroom. This spacious bedroom opens up to a balcony overlooking the valley. The bathroom is spacious with a freestanding bathtub, a double sink vanity, as well as an enclosed water closet. As always, like our video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Here's a look at what we got up to during our stay here.
It's